Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about ADA Cardano. Today, we are Tuesday, February 11th of 2025, and it's my opinion that right now we are about to see the liftoff of ADA Cardano. So let's start off with the breaking news. Grayscale in New York Stock Exchange Arca seek approval for Cardano-based ETF. So Grayscale has filed for a Cardano ETF. This is legit news. So yesterday I was on my phone, I was on the Twitters, and I saw this news. Everybody was talking about it. It's fantastic. Guys, comment down below. I think this is massive news, and we'll get into some of the reasons for this. We'll talk about briefly what is an ETF. But guys, keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. Okay. So the filing was submitted under the New York Stock Exchange Arca Rule 820-E. So basically, Grayscale seeks to list Cardano under the ticker GADA. So it's GADA. So GADA, if you will. So this would allow you to buy ADA with an ETF. So I don't know if you guys are into stock investing or trading at all, but basically an ETF, it allows you to hold a basket of like commodities or a different asset, and you just hold, the ticker symbol. So it's a way to kind of like hold stocks of, different commodities. So it could be basically anything. So you think about like the S&P 500, it allows you to buy one thing and it represents like the top 100 performing companies in the US. Okay. So this is a massive deal. So I do want you guys to comment down below. What are your thoughts on this? Do you guys think, this is just like a nothing burger? I think it's massive. So this is important going into 2025 because when Charles meets with, he's already talked about it. We've seen the little clips. He keeps hinting on it. March 1st now. He's got these important meetings. Is he going to talk with Elon? Is it going to be Trump himself? So that will be very interesting. So keep in mind, it's going to be interesting. So this is on the New York Stock Exchange. People are going to easily be able to get access to Cardano without having to hold it, without having to set up their wallets. And this is great for people that don't understand crypto. Okay, so you'll be able to trade it like stocks. You'll have your own diversified ETFs with what you already have, and it's really cool. So it provides exposure to multiple assets, and it's gonna help people, which ETFs already do, with not exposing themselves to single stock. So I'm pretty sure this is just for Cardano. So I guess you'd have exposure to ADA. But again, perhaps this ETF, I don't know if there's going to be something else or different, but maybe it's going to hold SNEC. Like, who knows down the road? When SNEC ETF, so that's more of a joke. But it's really cool, right? You have lower fees, transparency, tax advantages, etc. So the main thing you see here is that crypto ETFs are becoming a thing. It's becoming more legitimate, right? So you have stock ETFs, bond ETFs, commodities, etc. But now we're seeing this rise of crypto ETFs, and I think RWA's real world assets are going to play a major role. So let's get into some of the things here. So one thing I wanted to mention as well is that if approved, so basically this has not been approved yet. So this was submitted February 10th submission. So that was yesterday. So yeah, the news came pretty swiftly. So the SEC has 45 days to approve, deny, or extend its review of the filing. If approved, the ETF would provide investors with the regulated avenue to gain exposure to ADA without directly holding the asset. So that's what we talked about. You think about somebody that's not quite into crypto but wants to get exposure. That's why we have the Bitcoin ETF. And ultimately, I believe this is going to send ADA to new all-time highs. If this does get approved, assuming Bitcoin stays strong, within 45 days, we're probably going to be in some pretty nice territory, right? We have this current administration in the US, pro crypto, owns crypto, launched a meme coin. So just think about it, put those things together. So that's why you're seeing a little bit of a rise in Cardano compared to others. Ultimately, in the micro, I would say crypto's down quite a bit, but that's not a big deal, okay? So that's the big thing. If approved, I think this is going to be awesome. So, you know, who knows what's going to happen with this? You still have, you know, you still have the fact that it has not been approved yet. So we'll see. We'll see what happens in the short term. So guys, taking a look at the rainbow chart as well. This gives you an idea of past and current Bitcoin cycles. So I believe this is the logarithmic scale here. So if you guys do look, typically after the halving, we do tend to get into a major bull run. So yeah, I don't know if it's like 6 months to a year or not, but you know, we're probably, you know, based on math, it's probably going to be a shorter run, but even if it's a shorter run, we could get anywhere from 250 to 300 in Bitcoin. And I don't think that would be too crazy, but I would assume that if we get into the 250 and plus range, I think the market's hot. So it's probably going to be overbought then. So keep that in mind, because we have a lot of room from 2026, or from now, quite frankly, depending on how high we creep up. I think this bull run's going to go into 2026 maybe. But assuming that's when we peak, maybe end of 2025, 2026, 2027 could be difficult. Probably a good idea to, you know, maybe take some profits, adjust the portfolio around the 2026 mark. Just something that the Moose is thinking about. Guys, comment down below. Are you excited about the Cardano ETF? I think it's a big deal. You know, you think about getting into your Wealth Simple app or whatever you guys are using in the States, you know, getting access to a Cardano ETF, having it out there legitimizes Cardano's place in the cryptocurrency world. And I think we're going to see a lot of good things happening. Like, I'm very optimistic. Cardano, in my opinion, it is still the most beautiful blockchain in the use case of having a proof of stake token that you can just hold on cold storage. So yeah, like ETF, Cardano ETF, probably not something I'd be buying. I'm just going to hold the token itself. But again, it's all about getting everybody access to crypto, making it simple. And again, in 10 years, where's this going to be? Comment down below. Guys, also check out the link tree. I have links for you if you guys do want to buy Cardano and hold it in a non-custodial fashion. You can use code MOVE. So I have links for you guys. A lot of these you save money, specifically with the Tangem. You can even get a Bitcoin only wallet. But you guys save 10% off that. We also have links to Trezors, to Ledgers. So this helps support the channel. This is what's helping keeping this channel going. It gets me excited. I can get into different projects. We also have online courses and more. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.